Here is how to safely reset your password and secure your funds in less than 60 seconds. First, open the app, then under the number keypad, you tap Forgot Password. Then you type your registered phone number. After typing your registered phone number, an OTP will be automatically sent to your registered phone number or your registered Gmail address. After fetching the OTP from your phone number or Gmail, you press Next, and then you'll be required to do a photo capture. After capturing, you'll be required to type in a new Moniepoint password. After changing your password, you'll be taken back to the login screen where you'll be required to type the same password. Once you log in successfully, you'll be required to register the device again using the same steps you used before trying to change your password. After all the processes have been completed, you can now have access to your Moniepoint dashboard. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips.